Here's how you can locate the recycle bin on an iPhone. If you've accidentally deleted a file, photo, or video, the first step is to go to the app library by swiping all the way to the right. From there, use the search bar to find the Files app. Once inside the Files app, you'll notice it defaults to On My iPhone. To check for deleted files, tap Browse in the top left corner, then select Recently Deleted. This section contains files you've recently removed. However, deleted photos and videos usually won't appear in the Files app. Instead, you'll need to check the Photos app. Open the Photos app and scroll down to find the recently deleted folder under the Utilities section. You may need to authenticate with Face ID to access it. In this folder, you can tap Select in the top right corner to choose one or multiple items. Then, tap the three dots in the bottom right to either permanently delete them or recover them. Remember, other apps like Notes and Messages also have their own recently deleted folders, so you'll need to check within those apps to find and restore deleted content. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.